OMG, Maxine's Corner, you've done it again.
Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Yes, you seen correct. We are making some no-bake chocolate peanut butter oat cookies. Oh my god, I love these cookies and my kids love them, and what I love about them is that they're so simple and easy to make, guys. So let's go ahead and make these cookies. 1/8 teaspoons of salt. We're adding 1/3 cups of cocoa powder, and this is cacao powder, purest form of chocolate, packed full of iron, magnesium, absolutely delicious. 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Before I continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free, and that is gluten-free rolled oats. You can also use gluten-free quick oats. That will work just as well. 1/2 cup of nut butter. Now the nut butter, this is a nut butter mix. I'm gonna just show you guys for a second. So this is from Costco, and this is the nut mix butter. This one has almond, cashew, pumpkin, chia seeds, and flax seeds. So I absolutely love this. I also love it for my bread as well. So now I'm going to add 1/2 cups of this. 1/2 cup. Add that in there. What you need to do is just put this in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now you have to keep this refrigerated, otherwise these cookies are gonna soften out, and we definitely don't want that. To that I will add 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and when I say maple syrup, I'm talking about pure maple syrup, okay? To that, I'm going to add some vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon, a pinch of nutmeg. There you go. When I said a pinch, it will be about 1/8 teaspoons of nutmeg, okay? Okay, these cookies are looking so good right now. This is a simple, easy recipe that will be loved by the entire family. Now, if you have a nut allergy, you can also use sunflower butter as far as nut butter is concerned. Let's prepare our baking sheet. So I have my medium ice cream scooper, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you here. I'm just gonna scoop this up just to make it even. Scoop it up like that. I'm just gonna add it right there.
That looks yummy.
Gonna add the other one here. I'm just gonna damp my hands a little bit and then just spread them out just like that. And you could kind of mold it with your hands. And I'm just gonna do the same here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be putting this in the freezer from 30 to 1 hour, and then we'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, so these are our cookies. Absolutely delicious, yummy, gluten-free, perfect for the entire family, no bacon involved. And then all you have to do is just remove them just like this, and they are frozen right now. I had these in the freezer for about 2 hours. I just left them there for 2 hours, and then I came back. You cannot leave them out for too long because they will get soft, okay? Just to let you know, they do have to be kept in the refrigerator or the freezer at all times. And that's all I have once again. Thanks for watching. Thanks to my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me. Go on. You know what it is. Stay healthy.